Hello friends, and welcome back to Creating with Miss Kaye. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I went from this to this Christmas tiered tray. I am participating with Penny at Penny's Place monthly tiered tray challenge. Thank you, Penny, for hosting this monthly challenge. Now on to my intro. I'm starting with this DIY tray that I made from Dollar Tree plates and Dollar Tree vases, and I added a few pieces of bling. On the top tier, I'm adding the cardinal snow globe that I purchased from Joann Fabric. On the bottom tier, here is the furry feathered glittered owl. This tray looks so pretty so far on the fur rug on my coffee table. Now I'm adding a silver glittered reindeer. He's standing large and in charge. Now I'm going to just zoom in and look at everything. I'm adding a few red picks and a few silver picks. Green and red ornaments. The red, the green, and the silver makes this tray look so festive. On the back side, I added some DIY pine cones that I painted silver just to sit in as a filler on the tray, and it kind of helps the other items on the tray balance and stand up straight. I still felt like my tray was missing something up top. So after looking, added the red berries, I have the ornaments, I have the red picks, the silver picks, all of the ornaments, my bling hanging, and I needed this silver poinsettia to go at the top next to that snow globe, and I love it. Everything is tied together. I will keep this tray on my table maybe for a few days and then go back to my sleigh. But for now, I am feeling this red, green, white, and silver. I would like to thank Penny for hosting this collaboration once again, and make sure you go by Penny's channel and check out all of her videos, as well as the other participants in this playlist. The link to the playlist as well as Penny's page will be in my description box. Thank you so much for watching. Have a happy holiday. Be blessed, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you are not already one of my subscribers. And to my subscribers, I love you. Merry Christmas, and I'll see you in the next video.